Overview of tax planning. Tax planning involves strategically managing finances to optimize tax outcomes, identifying tax-saving opportunities, and minimizing tax liabilities within legal boundaries. 1. Objective. The primary objective of tax planning is to legally minimize tax liabilities by taking advantage of available deductions, exemptions, credits, and incentives provided under tax laws. Tax planning aims to optimize after-tax income and wealth accumulation. 2. Timing. Tax planning involves proactive decision-making throughout the year to optimize tax outcomes. It may involve long-term planning to reduce taxes over time, as well as short-term strategies to take advantage of tax-saving opportunities available in a given tax year. 3. Types of tax planning. Long-term tax planning involves comprehensive planning strategies aimed at minimizing taxes over an extended period. This may include retirement planning, estate planning, investment planning, and business structuring to achieve tax efficiency. Short-term tax planning focuses on immediate tax-saving opportunities available within a specific tax year. This may include timing income and deductions, maximizing retirement contributions, utilizing tax credits, and optimizing capital gains and losses. 4. Key considerations. Income optimization. Strategies to manage and optimize sources of income to minimize tax liabilities, such as maximizing deductions, differing income, or splitting income among family members. Investment planning. Selecting tax-efficient investment vehicles, such as tax-deferred retirement accounts, tax-free bonds, and capital gain opportunities to minimize taxes on investment income. Business structuring. Structuring business entities, transactions, and operations to minimize tax liabilities, such as choosing the appropriate business entity type, utilizing tax credits and incentives, and implementing employee benefit plans. Estate planning. Implementing strategies to minimize estate and inheritance taxes, such as gifting, establishing trusts, and utilizing estate planning tools to transfer wealth tax efficiently. 5. Compliance and risk management. Tax planning must comply with applicable tax laws and regulations to avoid legal and financial risks. Taxpayers should seek professional tax advice to ensure compliance and mitigate the risk of audits, penalties, and disputes with tax authorities. 6. Review and adaptation. Tax planning should be reviewed regularly to adapt to changes in tax laws, financial circumstances, and personal or business goals. Taxpayers should monitor tax legislation, seek updates from tax professionals, and adjust their strategies accordingly.